So this song is Beautiful Savior, and this is a good song to practice syncopation of the rhythm. It uses the same rhythm throughout, verse and chorus, and also this song is in the beat of 3/4. So let's just show you the very basic rhythm pattern for this song. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3, right? 1 2 3 1. Right, the song that I played will be slowed down version of this so that you can look, but the actual song is a little bit faster than that, so just adjust your speed accordingly. And again, the basic rhythm is just this, and then you can add a lot of variation just following this basic rhythm. For example, you can add the double bass here, right? You can add double snare, or double bass and double snare, right? You can use the open cymbal, or you can add this I don't know what you call this. For the slower part, the quieter part of the bridge, you can use a combination of this to carry the rhythm, and occasionally add the cymbal, the crash cymbal. Right, there's a lot of combinations that you can use. You can use this, you can use this, you can use this, or sometimes if you need to use one hand, do this, or maybe this, right? Or sometimes like this if you want to still carry the rhythm on your left hand. So we can make the rhythm more exciting other than just changing the sound type, right? So for example, this is the basic rhythm, right? You can add double bass here, right? And then you can add another snare before going back to the bass. But then all of those are optional. You will do well just playing with the various cymbals here, and maintaining the same basic rhythm, and maybe just changing the sound every now and then. The most difficult part, I think, is just the syncopation.